Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update Windows on your ASUS VivoBook S15 laptop. So, first of all, we're gonna have to make sure that our laptop is connected to the internet. Then open the Start menu, go to Settings, and here in Settings, select the last tab, which is Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Sometimes you will see updates prepared for you on this page right away when you enter it. But let's wait until our system finds any available updates. It will most probably find something. And after your system finds any available updates, it will proceed to download and install them automatically. So as you can see, it has already downloaded some Realtek driver update. And as you can see, the installation is completed. And sometimes some updates will require the installation for the changes to be applied. And in such case, you will see either a notification in the bottom right corner of your screen, or both notification and your check for updates icon or button will switch to restart now, and then you're just gonna have to click it and your laptop will restart, or you'll be able to restart it normally by opening the Start settings, going to Power Options and selecting Restart. However, this is not all for the matter of this video. We can also, and we should also check the advanced options, because in advanced options we can find optional updates, and here we'll be able to find optional Windows updates, which are, well, not really important, but if you want to download and install them, hit the checkbox next to them and click Download and Install, then wait until they are downloaded and installed. But you will also find your driver updates in here. So you can just as well open the driver updates menu and select the drivers that you want to download and install, and then click Download and Install and let Windows download and install them in this menu. And then restart your computer to apply changes. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.